Good afternoon, friends. Today I'm going to show you the review about the all new Bajaj Pulsar 180F. Pulsar has launched all new brand name called as Neon mode of Bajaj Pulsar. As you can see, the Pulsar, the logo is in red color, and as you can see, the color finishing of this Bajaj, it's with combination of black and red. Talking about this Bajaj Pulsar 180F, I bought this bike in the year of 2019. This was launched in 2019, and this bike has specification of 178 cc cubic capacity and top speed of 140 kilometers per hour. And talking about this on-road price of this bike is it will cost you around 87,000. Totally, it will cost you around 1 lakh 9,000. As you can see, this the meter logo and specification and this tank. Talking about Bajaj Pulsar 180F tank, this tank provide you 17 liters petrol. You can fill 17 liters of petrol in this tank, and you can look this. See, it looks as same as 220F Bajaj Pulsar model, and this specification has very good braking system. Right now they have launched new kind of braking system for this bike also. As you can see, this the back handlebar, it is also designed as red. As you can see, 180F, this logo, you can see all these things. But talking about the gears, this bike has a total of five gears, but there is no back gear. You just need to you just need to have a gear like this. Talking about the engine is pretty good, and the look of this bike is very much awesome. I will show you the start of this bike, how you can just handle it. First, you need to yeah, you can see this gear system, how it will work. Totally awesome. You can see this bike. If you want to buy this bike, I will recommend you to buy this bike only because Pulsar bike brand is number one in all over the country. Pulsar is a brand, and it is a king of roads of all kind of bikes. It will compete with all kinds of bike. I bet you if you buy this bike, you will realize the value of this bike as well. Because I have seen 220F also. Moreover 220, it is this bike is better than 220F. As you can see this meter also, how 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 nicely they have given the initialization of this bike, specifications of this bike. Actually, this bike is one of the best and awesome bike. Talking about the speed of this bike, you can go up to 140 kilometers per hour in highways, and this bike gives you the mileage up to 55 to 60 kilometers, which is very good mileage for nowadays, like passing by. You can see the tire, how good it looks. As you can see this style on all of this bike. I prefer you to buy Bajaj Pulsar 180F because it is a road king. I mean, it is a road king. Everybody, while driving, everybody looks at this bike only. You can see the logo of this bike, Bajaj Pulsar. Yeah, yeah, guys. Now this is one of the best bike across the country in India, launched by Bajaj. Bajaj is a topmost brand as compared to any other kind of bike. Compared to Duke, Bajaj Pulsar 180F is one of the best. I can assure you 100% that this bike will satisfy your needs. And moreover, this is stylish, and this bike has more quality and capacity than KTM Duke. You can see you can see this style, all those things, specifications. But the last thing, if you want to buy Bajaj Pulsar 180F, you have you should have more money. Like on it, it will cost you around 1,09,000 totally, on the total, including insurance, tax, and all those things. You need to afford money, and then you can buy this bike. I bet you this is one of the best bike across the country.